Hi there, this is Shazim from Shazim Creations. Today I'm going to share with you the best way how to make street lamp or lamppost light beams in Photoshop. So let's get started. After opening a photo, then select the rectangle marquee tool and select the area of the light beams. Then select gradient tool and select this option, white and transparent, this gradient, and select the color white or something yellow, this type. Then hold press Ctrl or Command T for transform and mouse right click and select the perspective. Then then go to blending option and select the screen. Now selected the layer and go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Select the Gaussian blur radius, then click on the OK. Now selected the lighting beams layer, then hold press Ctrl or Command J for duplicate layer and hold press Ctrl T for transform or inside of the light beams. After resizing and transform the light beams, then hold press Ctrl key and select these two layers and then hold press Ctrl G for group of these two layers. Create mask of this group. Make sure to select brush tool and make sure to select foreground color is black. Now easily remove unwanted area and for meshing the light beams, for smoothing the bottom area. Now it's look like the realistic light beams of the lamppost or street lamp. So easily you can make any light beams this way. I hope you will like my tutorial. Please share this video and make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Thanks for watching.